So I just made $1,800 in the past 24 hours with affiliate marketing. And the best part is I did it by posting videos on TikTok and driving them to my automated high-ticket affiliate marketing system. I didn't do any sales calls. I didn't have long DM conversations. I didn't have to chase anyone to make the sale. Literally, I just randomly woke up this morning and I was told I made an extra $1,800 for my business. So let me just show you my dashboard real quick. Yeah, so this is the dashboard for my affiliate marketing system, and as you can see, 621. Now it's actually split into 3 payments, so times 3 is $1,800. I am super grateful that I'm able to do this because that's literally someone's monthly salary in a single day, which is insane, and that's the power of affiliate marketing. Once you have a process that works, you just do it over and over and over again, and you'll never have to work a 9-to-5 ever again. If you want to learn more about how an average 26-year-old like me, who still has pimples on their nose, are earning $1,000 plus commissions on autopilot, check out the pinned video on my profile and drop a thumbs up in the comments on this video. Seriously, if I can do it, you can do it too.